So we looked so far at these voltage-gated channels. The channels, again, are these very specific proteins on the that are embedded within the cell membranes of animal cells. They're all different cells have different channels or different, like the sodium-potassium pump. There's all kinds of different biological landmarks on the cell membrane. If you study cell biology at all, you'll learn that. But we looked at voltage-gated sodium and voltage-gated calcium and voltage-gated potassium channels. So those channels open up and close at different voltages. So we looked at the voltage-gated sodium channels. The voltage-gated sodium channels are going to open up at around what? What do they open up at, the voltage-gated sodium channels that we discussed so far? What's that? Not negative 70.
55.
Around 55, right. Around 55. And what do they close at? What do they deactivate at? 30, right, positive 30. And that's when they start their process of repolarization. Okay. And similarly, the voltage-gated potassium channels are going to open at 30, and then they're going to close somewhere past negative 70. Okay, they're going to close. That's right. within the hyperpolarization zone. You're all cool with that? You all know that? Depolarization, hyperpolarization. So we've seen so far voltage-gated channels that are going to allow certain minerals or ions in and out. Are you all with that? Any questions? Okay, so you all understand the concept. I think a problem you're having right now is you haven't repeated the concept enough. Don't let a take-home exam get in the way of your studying. The worst thing you can do for yourself is not know the information and go scrambling during a take-home exam. Because then it's just an inefficient study process, and it takes away from your studying other materials, and it affects other classes as well. So don't do that. Another type of channel that we're going to see here is a chemically gated channel. So this slide shows 3 different types of channels. It shows voltage gated, chemically gated, and pressure gated. So we've looked in detail at voltage gated channels. These are chemically gated channels. So here you see that there's a binding site, right? Here's a binding site right here. And the neurotransmitter is going to attach that binding site, causing the channel to open or causing the channel to do something.